thinking, huh, Brad? What are you thinking? Yeah? What are you thinking, big boy? Yeah? What do you think of the camera, huh? What? Oh, it's okay. You like getting pet? Oh my goodness, does that feel good? Yeah, right there. Is that where you... That's it, Brad? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Yeah, what you doing? Oh my goodness, you feel good? You're feeling good? You feeling good? Yeah, oh, yes. Black kitty with white whiskers and a little white tuff on your chest. Yeah. Yeah. You happy? You happy to be out of that junkyard? Oh, such a good looking man. We have to comb you some more. Yeah. Oh my goodness, how's that? Oh, you're sure? Are you loving your kitty condo? Oh, you love that kitty condo? Okay, all right, I'll pet you some more. Okay, I'm gonna pet you some more. Good man. Oh my goodness, good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my, okay, right there. That's it. Okay, how's that? How's that? Was that good? Was that good? Was that good? Yeah. Oh, kitty condos are the best thing ever. It's so much more satisfying than rubbing on a junk car. Yeah, so much better than rubbing on a rusty old car. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh my goodness, you're Mr. Personality. Yes, you are. Yes, you are silly. You're silly.